There you go. You're doing good.
I haven't rode a bike for a long time. A big bike like one with little wheels. I've never ride one like this before.
I know. You're just learning, huh? Maybe if we ride over that way, we'll be in the shade. You don't have to look in the sun. Got a big parking lot here you can ride around in.
Yes, it's all mine.
It's kind of nice. You don't have to worry about any cars driving around. You can just ride around the parking lot. It's nice and big.
Yeah, but no cars are coming.
Yeah, that's why it's nice.
That means I could just ride around by myself.
Yeah.
That school building is blocking the front.
Mm-hmm.
There he is.
Yeah. Looks like he's having fun, huh?
He just went over by himself.
Yeah, he probably doesn't have anybody else to ride with. He's the only one that's got a scooter with a motor on it.
And I'm the only one with a bike. I'm the only one with a Barbie bike.
Yeah, you are. Push hard with your leg. Ugh. Here, I'll give you a little shove. There you go. That's a little better. Now we're in the shade. You gotta push hard. Push hard with your legs. Ugh.
There's a bee finally.
Where?
Right there. Hey, Dad, why did that bee come around me?
I don't know.
He just wants to play with me?
I don't know. Maybe. Maybe he smelled something and smelled good on your bike or something.
Like a Barbie?
Yeah, maybe.
Then we go back to our house.
If you're done, you ready to go back? Okay. Push hard. There you go. Nice.
I don't see that scooter anywhere.
No. He might have went back to his house too. Starting to feel a little more comfortable on your bike?
Yep.
Good. Steer over that way. Gotta go over towards the gate.
What part of the gate's missing?
I know, I saw that.
Maybe why did they take part of the gate off?
I don't know. I'm not sure why it's off. Want to drive out to the road?
for the day.
Oh, okay. Alright, we'll drive down there by that little spot where we can take your bike up, and then we'll go up. Use your brakes if you need to. There you go. Good job.